Hi friends, this is Mohammad Rizwan. Our today's topic is why to set temperature of your AC system at 24 degree Celsius. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency BEE, a body of Ministry of Power, Government of India, recommended to set temperature of AC system at 24 degree Celsius. A substantial amount of energy can be saved if temperature of your AC system set at 24 degree Celsius. It has been estimated that changing changing AC temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius can result approximately 25% of average energy saving. Due to this practice, the India could be able to save 20 billion unit for cost of rupees 10,000 crores annually, even if 50% consumers adopt to set temperature at 24 degrees Celsius. India could be able to reduce CO2 emission also. CO2 emission approx 8.2 million ton per year. It will be a great substantial contribution to reduce global warming. Countries like Japan and USA have already introduced and put in for functioning of AC system. Thanks. I hope you like this video and thanks.